Hi, and welcome to this tutorial for MachiningCloud's user upload that is also known as Add Item. So from the home page, you can access this by My Workshop and then My Inventory. And from here, you can just add an item. So you can add it manually or you can import from a file. We recommend using the import GTC package. So this is a tool that I've previously downloaded from a manufacturer's website, which is in this zip file is the GTC package and also the P21 data file. So we'll select and open. And then from here I need to select an inventory to add it to. So I've previously created some inventories in here, but I'm just going to add it to the standard MachiningCloud inventory and then import. So once that's been brought in, I can just close this, and then that uploaded item or tool has now been added to the inventory, and I can open up the 3D viewer and there it is. So we've got a nice M4 tab that's been brought in there. Also in here you can add a customer part number, a quantity, or even notes that you may want to add for this tool. You can also, from here, you can edit. So you can add a workpiece material in here if you wish, or you can also edit the classifications. So there's a few things you can do with this uploaded tool, but the main thing is you can actually create a new tool assembly. So I can add a collet or sleeve from here. I'll just add this RegoFix one here, add to the tool assembly. I can open up the 3D viewer to see whether that's been added, which it has, and then I can add an adaptive item. Now I might not want to use RegoFix again, so I can select that. Let's try a Lindex Nicken. Just make sure there's a 3D available. Select one of these holders, our mini product page, and I'm going to add that to the tool assembly. But open the 3D viewer here. Here we can see we've added or created a multi-brand tool assembly with a uploaded tool from a manufacturer's website. Thank you for joining today, and goodbye.